Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting video where you get to learn how to draw the eye. It's going to be a very quick video. My apologies, I've not been around, so there's no tripod stand, so the video might be a little bit shaky. My apologies for that, but I believe you will enjoy the video. Drawing the eye after the sketch, you begin to start shading. And how I do my shading, as I always say, is shade from up to down, left to right. So when shading anything in drawing, you must take note of the dark areas, the shade, the shadow, and the highlights. These are three important things you need to consider while you're drawing. And I would say lately I started experimenting with brush, blending with brush, and I can see that the result is really impressive. So my blending stump and brush gives me a very good result for blending my charcoal and graphite. So when drawing the eyes is one of the most important and interesting parts of the human body for me as an artist. The eyes is, as they always say, is the soul of the mind. So when I draw eyes, I pay very much attention to the details of the eyes. So when shading the eyes, particular areas that involves very dark shade, I use my charcoal pencil to achieve a very dark shade, and very light areas I switch to graphite pencil. So when shading the iris of the eyes, you need to shade with light shade depending on the reference, because most reference that involves close shot, you could see the reflection and tiny details in the iris, just like this particular drawing, for instance. So when also drawing or shading the pupil, I use my charcoal pencil because from the reference I use is very dark. So for me to achieve a very dark pupil, I use the charcoal pencil for it. When shading the eyebrow also, I love shading with charcoal. And for this particular drawing, I have close shot on the eyebrow, so it gives me the opportunity to bring out every detail of the eyebrow. The treatment of light and shade is vital in our drawings. When we miss out of this, it makes the drawing look flat. So pay attention to the tonal graduation, how light falls on the object, the shading, and how to achieve a realistic texture. So let me quickly talk about achieving a realistic texture, because from the drawing beneath the eye, I was able to create a realistic skin texture. First and foremost is shade the area around, light shading, and get a pencil or a charcoal, whichever one that is suitable for you. Create tiny lines, wavy lines, irregular lines, and then highlight it with your Mono Zero. Be confident about your drawing skills, because most times artists are scared of shading dark areas, but be confident about that. Try out dark areas and see how your drawings will come out in 3 dimensions. I'm sure these short clips of video has inspired you and you've learned something on how to draw the eyes. Make sure you like, comment, share, and remember to subscribe. Thanks, and expect more videos on how to draw from this channel. See you guys. Bye for now.